Okay, this is a quick little update video that we do every time a new version of Kali Linux comes out. And yesterday we got the Kali 2023.1 release. Now you can check out everything about this new release on the official Kali Linux page, and if you navigate to blog section, you will see that on the 13th March 2023 there was a blog published about the new release. If we click on it, we can read all the new things about this new release. One cool thing is that it was their 10th anniversary, so we do get some special things inside of this new Kali Linux version. We can read all the new things that they have added right here in this list, and probably the coolest one would be the Kali Purple, which is another Kali Linux image that they have added for defensive security. So for the past 10 years, Kali Linux was mostly specialized in offensive security, but now they've created additional image that will be focused on the defensive side of security, mainly for blue and purple teams. Now this is not really that important for us for the course, but nonetheless it's a cool thing to know, so if you want to try it out, feel free to try it out, but for the course we need the original Kali Linux version. Now if you want to read more things that they have changed, you can just click on each of these links, so for example Python changes, and it will tell you about the Python changes that they have added in this new release. For example, the packaging installation is different now, and this will be important later in the course once we install different Python packages, since the syntax has changed, but more about that later. If you want to read more about the new Kali Linux version, feel free to navigate to this page, and if you want to download the newest Kali Linux version, you go to Get Kali and then Installer Images, and you want to download the 64-bit installer, or 32-bit if your machine is 32-bit, and for the M1 and M2 chips you want to download Apple Silicon. But for a regular PC that is 64-bit, you want to go with this 64-bit installer. Now if you also want to try out the Kali Purple, which is the new thing that they have added, you can navigate down, and here is the Kali Purple version with tools for defensive security. Nonetheless, I always recommend that you download the newest version available, so if there is a newer version available other than 2023.1, feel free to download the newest one, but if for some reason you want to download an older version of Kali Linux, perhaps the one that we use in the course, you can navigate to the old.kali.org, and it will open this page where you can click on Base Images, and you will have all the previous Kali Linux versions and their images, so feel free to download whichever one that you prefer. And last thing is, here is how the new Kali Linux looks like. So pretty much the only thing that has changed is the wallpaper, at least the only thing that we visually see changing is the wallpaper from the previous version, but other than that, for the course everything else will be the same. All the tools are still here and nothing really of importance has changed regarding the course. Okay, let's not make this any longer, and let's get back straight to the course.